Step 1 is to go to the website that's giving out free PayPal money cash codes to everyone. Step 2 is to enter the amount of money you want to receive. And Step 3 is to sit back, relax, and watch your PayPal balance grow. This is how much we've already earned just by logging into this new website. You may earn more or less than this, but we guarantee that if you watch this entire video from beginning to end, you'll earn this much and maybe even more. The first thing we're going to reveal in today's video is a new website that's literally handing out free PayPal cash codes to everyone. The second thing we're going to show you is the various ways that you can earn this PayPal money. And the last thing we're going to show you is how you can go on complete autopilot earning from this brand new website. Now, this website is completely free. You don't need to invest anything or pay anything in advance to participate. You can join in on this and earn the same way that we do for absolutely no cost. This method is also available in most countries, so make sure you test it out to see if it works where you live. You can do this on your phone or your computer, it doesn't make any difference. We'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you don't get lost, confused, or miss anything that could be critical to our strategy today. It's quite tricky even though it's simple, and that's why you should watch this entire video from beginning to end, so you don't get confused about today's method. And make sure you don't skip ahead so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, chances are you won't get the desired results. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end if you're interested. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. Before I show you anything, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications, and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. So here's a quick example on how to redeem this PayPal money. All you need to do is type in how much you want. Let's say $1,000, and then click on this button right here that says claim this item, and that's really it. It's super easy. You can put literally any amount you want, it won't matter. Now, our main platform for today is this right on your screen, and as soon as you type the link in, this is where you're gonna be brought to. It says sign up in 10 seconds, make money online now, complete paid online surveys, earn points, and redeem for cash and gift cards from different brands. Here's how this website works. You sign up for a free account, earn points by completing short opinion, surveys, or easy offers, and then redeem points for PayPal cash or choose from hundreds of gift cards. Here are some of the top rewards that you can redeem. As you can see, over here is where you'll find PayPal money. You get paid instantly to your PayPal account, get free PayPal money today. If you need more assurance that this website is reliable, they've already partnered up with quite the brand, so I do believe that this is enough assurance that the site is reliable and legit. Now look over here. We have the largest collection of gift cards for you to choose from, and it's processed electronically. Redeem for free gift cards for you to choose from, and it's processed electronically. Redeem for free gift cards after you take our paid opinion surveys. Redeem your points for a gift card from hundreds of brand name choices. You can get free gift card rewards such as Amazon gift cards, and our favorites, Prize Rebel pays you by sending PayPal money directly into your account when you redeem your points. Yes, the website we are in right now is called prizerebel.com. Now, we offer one of the best ways to make money online, and you heard all of that here first. Now, this is going to be the next great thing. So go ahead and create an account for free, and you can either sign up with Facebook or start from scratch. Just provide all the details that they're asking, which would be your first name, last name, email, password, and then hit start making money, and that should take you straight into your dashboard, which should look just like this. Now, we know that it looks a little overwhelming because everything is everywhere, but don't worry, because we're gonna teach you everything that you need to do exactly to make the most amount of money possible from this platform alone. Now, the first thing that you want to do to earn quick money on this is to go over to Earn, which would be at the top part of your page, and then click on Offer Walls, and that's gonna load this page right here. This basically has different offers, different surveys that you can participate in and earn from: donations, app installs, info submit, no cost, etc. And right now, we're on all the featured offers of today. What you want to do is click on no cost, because we obviously don't want to spend money just to make money, right? Nobody wants that. Now, you can choose from any of the surveys displayed right here and earn points. For every survey that you choose to take, you can get paid for your opinions or claim free samples, and you can even join in on a $10,000 giveaway, and all of this is completely free. And there's so much more on here that you can earn from for free. We think this is really awesome because it's a great opportunity. The next place you want to go to is Win, which is also on the upper part, and then Contests, and that should take you right here. If you read this, it says be a winner in our offer wall contest. To participate in the contest, all you need to do is complete and earn the most points from offers from the offer walls within the contest period. You must complete the offers with real information. The more offer walls you complete, the more likely chance you're gonna win top prize. Rules for offer wall offers. To qualify, they must have been completed and been credited. You must complete offers with real information and only offers from the offer that was completed and credited. After that, they'll give you a specific date that will qualify, so you have to do this within the given duration. The top one is already over 1,000 points, and that's all from completing a service and different stuff. But if he wins this, he's gonna get an extra 1,000 points, so in total, he'll have another extra 1,000 more points that he can easily exchange for PayPal money, which is just insane. Now, you just need to try and beat this dude, so in the next contest that's coming, the top one will earn this much. Exchange those points for at least $1,000. Now, if you scroll down, you'll also see a US survey contest, referral contest, so whatever you have or whatever you've participated in, you've done the most at, you can participate in one of these, or even all. If your top one is everything and earn 3,000 points, that probably is already like thousands of dollars straight into your PayPal account. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked it, subscribed, turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment down below. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying Easy Money Online, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can get money doing simple things like this. So if we get 2,000 likes on this video, we'll launch an insane brand new video that might even be cooler than this. So comment Easy Money Online down below. We'll be releasing a new video next week to show you how to make even more money online by performing basic jobs like these on your computers or mobile phones. So let's get back to the video now. Now, if you go on over on Win and then Raffles, it's gonna take you right here. Now, they do raffles every day, and this is free money that you can earn. As you can see, there's a $10 gift card, $25 gift card, and a $20 gift card as well that you can enter, and you can try your luck and then maybe earn. If you scroll down, you'll also see upcoming raffles that you can prepare for yourself. So this platform literally has everything you can possibly ask for in a website that gives you a chance to earn money for completely free and in so many ways. And we know that everything we said is probably already so amazing and you just can't wait to try it out, but there is so much more. Now, we obviously want to still be able to earn even while we're asleep, or maybe when we are at a party, or maybe dealing with something serious, and for all that, all we need to do is go on over to Invite and then click on Earn with Referrals, which should take you over here. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. You just sit back and watch your point balance grow. As your referral earn points, you will earn a 15% bonus based on their earnings. Their referral program claims to be the best in the business and is the easiest way to earn with the website. You're gonna earn 15% from your referrals earnings, which we think just makes everything even crazier at this point. You can just copy your link over here and share it to literally anyone. Post it on Facebook, your Instagram, Twitter group chats, tell your family, tell your friends, tell people on the street, maybe even post it on Facebook groups or forums that are centered on wanting to make money online. These are just some of the many ways to share your referral link in the most clever ways possible that people will actually want to click on and join. Now, let's say you've accumulated 100,000 points already. You can immediately exchange that for $1,000 and all you had to do was complete surveys and tiny little tasks to earn that much, or maybe even refer people, which we think is just absolutely insane. You just go on rewards, then PayPal custom amount, And here is where you can type in that you want $1,000. Click on this button and boom, there's our $1,000 straight into our PayPal account, and now we can finally rest, and that should be everything. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.